So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this butter crock. This is a handmade porcelain butter crock. It also gives you instructions on the outside. It is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, refrigerator safe, and lead free. All of those are super important to me, especially being dishwasher safe, because let's face it, who loves to wash dishes? Not me. So yeah, we'd put our butter right in here, and it would keep it nice and soft for you. You put water at the bottom, and it's protected by an airtight seal at the base of the crock. So basically you just change the water every single day, and your butter stays perfect. It's a nice heavy-duty piece as well of how to keep your butter flavor and freshness. Let's get into it. So here we have a thank you card, which is super nice. It gives you some tips and tricks. Oh wow, this is a really beautiful piece. Okay, so here we have the butter crock. This is going to be a gorgeous piece for my kitchen. I absolutely love this. So the purpose of a butter crock is so that you don't have hard butter. This one